Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta, and today I've got a little unboxing for you that is from Paintgem by way of Cateared. So let's get in and have a look. So to give you a bit more of an explanation, I had been purchasing some other items from Cateared, the trial bricks and such that you might have seen, and realised that on their website you can buy the Paintgem minis. I have done several kits of Paintgem minis that I've ordered direct from Paintgems, but for me, being in the UK, it's actually cheaper for me to get them from Cateared, which is fabulous. So I treated myself to this mystery edition. So I thought I would share it with you. So I'll show you what's in the kit and everything, and if you don't want to be spoiled as to the mystery canvases, I'll let you know sort of to look away when we get to that bit. So yeah, so the boxes are lovely. They give you a little idea on the back as to the theme of the mystery paintings. So we've got 3 museum, 3 national parks, 3 space, 2 around the world, and 1 her story. So let's get into you. Come on, open. All right, slide that bit off. Okay, and inside it says relax through creativity. We don't have the nice brightly coloured boxes that we used to have. They've gone for a much more sleek and sort of refined look now, but they're still very nicely packaged. We've got our little kit here. So it's a nice little cloth bag. We've got, oh, there we go. Is that everything? Yeah. So we've got some plastic tweezers. I'm not a fan of the plastic tweezers, but you might get on with them just fine. If I could say anything about the Paintgem kits, is I wish that they would upgrade their tweezers for metal ones, particularly as their kits are all square drills, and square drills are much better suited to using the tweezers. We get a regular diamond painting pen with a brass tip. It is a clear one with a bit of sparkle in it, and you get your little squishy that you can put on there just to save your fingers. We also get a multi-placer. I think this is probably a 7, maybe an 8. So you can pop that in. Ooh. If you don't have dropsy like me, you can pop that in the other end of your pen so that you can switch between single and multi-placing. And we get a single plate of heart-shaped wax in its little container. These little containers are great for stopping your wax getting covered in pet fluff. And of course we get another multi-placer. That's a 3-placer, and a little tray. These ones are quite nice. I don't mind these size at all. So that is our toolkit. Let's pop that back in there. Most of it fairly standard. The little bags are nice though, for keeping everything together. We then get our drills, which are labelled on the front with the kit that they go with, which is really useful. These are pre-bagged, and they are numbered with the like legend number, the DMC number, and then the weight of what you're getting in there. And it's the 1 set of drills for all of the canvases if you haven't done a Paintgem kit before. We do have a set of stickers, so if you wish to kit these up, you've got stickers for your pots, and of course if you don't want to kit them up and you want to work out the baggies, you can just put the stickers directly onto the baggies. Our symbols are mostly alphanumeric with a few symbols. Yeah, all looking good though. Nice and easy to read on there. I'm not going to go through all the colours, but you can see there we've got quite a selection. Obviously, because we've got national parks and museum and around the world. We've got a lot of sort of natural colours, as you might expect. We've got a big old bag of, is that 310? No, it's not 310, it's 939. So considering we've got a space one to do, that's interesting. I was expecting a 310. And I can't see one. Oh, yes we do have one. It's bag number 9. Where is it? What? Oh, it's not bag number 9, sorry, it's symbol number 9. That's very confusing. Let's see, can I find it? Ah, there we go. So that's all the 310 that we're going to have in that massive kit of pictures. So that's quite interesting. Right, colours. Okay, so now, if you don't want to see what's in here because you are the sort of person that is able to discern the mystery pictures, look away now and I will tell you when to come back again. So keep listening though, because so these come in a nice little cardboard packaging. Gives you a few little tips and tricks. There's a QR code that you can scan if you're having any issues and you need to contact them. Again, instructions inside, and then we have got our canvases. So they say on them like number 1 in the corner, so this is going to be number 1 on here, which will be museum. So we've got museum, another museum, that one is also a museum. Number 4 is national parks, so we've got a couple of national parks ones, and we're into space. These are much smaller, little square ones. Around the world, 2 of those, and a big one for her story. So okay, if you were looking away, you can look back now. I will hide these canvases away so you cannot peek at them and you won't get any spoilers. So yeah, I am, as I expected, quite happy with these. No issues at all. Looking forward to playing around with some mystery canvases. Price wise, I went and had a look on Paintgem. This kit is actually sold out at the moment on Paintgem, but it was listed at £33 sterling. However, I paid £22.32 from Cateared. And yeah, so that it's a no-brainer for me. They don't have the full range of Paintgem canvases on the Cateared site, but there's a pretty good selection, so it's well worth checking it out if you want to see if you can save yourself a few pounds and still get a quality licensed product. So I'm going to leave this here. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you are having a wonderful February so far, and if you are taking part in my event this month, the hashtag Once Upon a Time, I hope that you are enjoying that and making good progress on your crafting projects. So I'm going to leave this here. Thank you as always to those of you that support me over on Patreon and here as channel members. You guys are the absolute best and you keep everything ticking over. If you would like to join them, you can do so from as little as 99p. I will send you some stickers if you do that, and you will also get early access to my videos. So thank you to everybody once again, and until next time, stay crafty.